Unravel the mystery of may and might for permission. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to another exciting lesson. Today, we're going to be focusing on modal verbs, specifically may and might, as they are used to express permission. By the end of this video, you will understand how to use these two modal verbs effectively in everyday English conversation. Modal verbs are a unique type of verb that we use to express things like possibility, obligation, ability, and, what we're focusing on today, permission. Some common examples of modal verbs are can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, and must. But today, we're homing in on may and might. When we want to ask for permission in a formal and polite way, we often use may. It's a classic way to ask if something is allowed. Here are a few examples. May I borrow your pen? You may leave the room when you're finished with the test. Might is a little different. We typically use might for permission in the context of indirect questions or when the permission is hypothetical or tentative. For example, I was wondering if I might be able to use your laptop. He said I might borrow his car if I need it. To sum up, may and might are both used to ask for permission, but may is used for more direct and formal requests, whereas might is used for indirect or hypothetical situations. Remember, using the right modal verb can help your English sound more natural and fluent. And there you have it, folks. That's a quick run-through on how to use may and might to ask for permission in English. I hope this video has clarified the differences between these two important modal verbs for you. As always, practice makes perfect. So keep practicing and tune in for our next lesson where we'll continue exploring English grammar fundamentals. Happy learning!